Some car dashboards have lots of buttons. Like when my little brother asked about the hazard flasher button, I tried telling him it was the automatic park button. But seriously, dashboard buttons, especially those in off-highway vehicles, need to be tough and reliable, like the GP series from Carling Technologies, a Littelfuse brand. These one-pole switches are rated for 24 volts DC and 0.25 amps. They have an integrated red LED backlight and are IP54 rated. With an electrical life of 50,000 cycles and mechanical life cycle of 438,000, these switches can last a long time, and their operating temperature from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius means they can survive just about anywhere a vehicle can go. So you could use that automatic park button on the frozen tundra or the hot desert. They're also designed and tested to resist strong vibrations, shock, and drops, rated for shock to mil standard 202G, and resistant to dropping per SAE J1455 Rev AUG 2012.